Hey guys, my name is Karen and I'm part of the creative team here at Passion Planner. And today I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw some Valentine doodles and illustrations into your planner using a Prismacolor colored pencil and some Tombow dual brush pens. If you want to take a closer look, the links will be in the description below. And with that said, let's get drawing. The first thing I will be drawing is some candy hearts. This is pretty simple. All you have to do is start out with your basic heart shapes and try to make sure that they're all pointing in different directions. So to add more dimension, draw straight lines down from each edge of the heart. Then you're going to follow the contour of the hearts from each end of each line. This gives it a little more dimension so it feels like candy hearts. And all you have to do is write words inside of the hearts that fit your mood. And there you have it. We are going to be coloring at the end, so let's move on to our next illustration. Next, we are going to draw some strawberry illustrations dipped in chocolate. The first thing we are going to do is draw some V-like shapes like this. And for the second one, we're going to do a similar shape, but have a break somewhere near the bottom of it. To close this off, we're going to do a drop-like shape. Now we're going to use some organic lines and connect these shapes with some waves. Same with this, and those are your chocolate shells. Next, we're just going to fill in the shape by drawing in the strawberry. All we have to do here is come near the end of the shape and make a circle-ish line like this. Come over here and do the same thing. You don't want to go right at the edge because that loses your dimension in your drawing. And the last thing we're going to do for these main shapes is create these little leaves. They're very thin, they come at a point, and then they connect. And lastly, we're just going to do these little circles, these thin ovals, and they come at a pattern. Use these shapes to fill up the entire strawberry. And there you have it, your strawberry illustrations. The last illustration we're going to be doing is a rose, and it may seem complicated, but using a colored pencil, it makes it a little easier to tackle these lines together. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a little swirl. You're gonna make the end of the swirl come out a little, so it starts to resemble a lollipop. Next, you're just going to get some lines at the edges and protrude them outward a little. Next, we're going to draw a big petal on the outside by drawing oval shapes like this and another oval shape like that. And create some little leaves at the bottom, similar to the strawberry leaves we were drawing earlier. And we'll connect it by creating a little circle at the bottom. Now we are going to work on the other petals, and they are going to window each other a little bit. So one will go over here. It's again another oval shape coming to a close, and here. And last, we will do petal here. To finish it off, we are going to create a stem, and all we have to do is draw a straight line down and another parallel line beside it. Finally, the final leaf is just like the petal, but a little larger. And that's your final illustration. Now we're going to start coloring everything in so everything feels more cohesive. So there you have it. Those are your 3 Valentine illustrations. If you really enjoyed it, please like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have an idea of what you want to draw with me next, definitely leave a comment below, and hopefully you'll see it in the next video. Until then, see you in the next video.